So how can you delete workouts on the Apple Watch? So it might have happened to you that you accidentally started a workout or that you have recorded something else and you just might want to delete it from the history. So there are more options on how it kind of works. Essentially, you can open up the fitness app of your iPhone where you browse essentially all of the data captured and tracked by the Apple Watch. And there on the main page, click on these sessions. And if you have a session which you perhaps recorded by mistake, you can just swipe left on it and there is the delete button, right? So you can just tap on this and the session should be deleted. Just keep in mind that perhaps it doesn't work for everybody. Like I came across some people which it didn't work for. And in that case, there is a backup method on how it works. And that would be through the health app, right? So if you open up the health app instead of the fitness, and go to the browse section, you can go to the activity. And if you tap on the activity like that, you can browse all of the things like the sessions and all of the workouts available and recorded in the past. And if you then navigate to the workout section, you can tap on expand all of the other things there. And entirely at the bottom, you have the show all data. So if you click on this, you can see some options here, and obviously in here you can swipe left again and click on delete, or even click on the edit button and then delete it that way. So you can see all of these sessions. You can check it out to see if it really was worth it or if it was captured by mistake, and you can manage it directly here. So these are the two options you have. Let me know below in the comments if there are some more things you would like to know. I have so many different other tutorials and things available on this channel. So let me know below in the comments what you would like to see next. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next videos.